Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shoot, I forgot about the fried rice.
Yeah, there's steak on the raw side if you want.
Oh, I have my sashimi angel.
Oh yeah, get it, Dad. Dad, here's tiny.
Sa taas. Sashimi and my non-alcoholic beer.
Hey, Mom, did you buy this egg roll or was that mine? Oh, okay, never mind. I got the wrong one there.
Yeah, it's
Gosh.
the big one.
Yeah, dude, that was not good. Dude.
Oh, you didn't like it? No, it was good.
I had to get Jollibee.
Oh.
You know why?
Oh, more of it?
Bro, I woke up. Oh, you want? I woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning to make it right. And then what's it called? And then I put it in the foil like that. And then for like 3 hours, I was.
Dad, you want to wait?
No. Smells good. Gary. Sashimi.
I put it on foil and I waited like 3 hours.
Oh
like,
yeah,
soggy.
that's how it gets. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's supposed to like wait. Wow.
Thank you for everyone. We have games that we can play. I like more games.
Oh, Dad, you're great.
Yeah,
Can I try it?
yeah, it's non-alcoholic.
Can I try it?
Yeah, non-alcohol.
See, Ali, I told you. What? Dad drinks the non-alcoholic drink.
Merry
I don't get it.
Christmas.
What does that do to you?
Nothing.
Is it the vibe? Oh, wow.
It's my favorite. Get our beer, Angel. Yeah, just iyan mo lang. Just put soy, it's inside. Ikaw magtimpla. Ayan, nagbibigay ako. Ito no? Wasabi. There's kikuman. Merong kikuman dun. Yan, timplahin mo para.
I think we need more soy.
Huh?
We need more soy. You have more soy sauce?
Hindi, meron siyang wasabi.
This is the wasabi, right?
Meron pa siya.
No, I don't see it.
Yes, wasabi.
No.
Huh?
No wasabi. You don't need it? Wait, are you sure this is good still?
Huh?
Are you sure this is not expired?
Oh. Well, check it out. I just ate it this morning.
See on the pack.
Huh?
I don't think it's good. Can I try it?
Meron na wasabi dito. Yeah, try it.
I'm scared. Wait, try it with me.
Yung mga masabi ni Daddy ko,
Is it bad?
bago pa lang yan. Tapos lang yan.
Wait, now try it with me.
Or, I'm not sure if that's the one that he bought.
Try it with me.
I'll try it. Cheers tayo.
I don't want.
Sarap ba?
Ito yung aking
Egg
ginto.
roll?
Oh, here.
That's yours. I want the red one.
Ace, ano?
Wasabi.
Ace, yung egg roll ba, ano?
Cheers tayo. Dapat na, ayun o. Wasabi o.
Okay, wait. That.
Zero alcohol.
Okay, I don't want that much.
What's your drink, Ace? You working tomorrow?
No, I'm not.
Okay, Dad.
I don't have some. I don't want. I need
Here,
some.
this is yours.
That's fine. You put wasabi?
Yeah, but you could grab some.
Cheers! Ang laki daw. Dapat maliit na.
Ready?
Okay.
Oh my god, put one phone down, bro.
1, 2, 3. Good, huh?
That's good. Okay, eat now.
Yan o. 0%. Ako.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I wanna try. Yung curry na.
There's beef in there too.
Lipat natin yung sauce. That for the curry?
That's big. Okay, I'm hungry. We didn't even eat yet. Eat.
Okay. Parang masarap yung curry ni ano to ah.
Wait, so did you guys watch it? Yeah. Wait, did you get it? So, did you see it? How, like, they were dating, like, the same sibling? Wait, here, I'll help you out. If two actually broke up, or they were dating someone else,
Share it. Sure. Sashimi.
I just found out right now.
wait, did you hear that?
Wow, fine. Ano yan?
Two exes broke up, and now they have two different
Boba. Boba.
dating each other's siblings.
Mana din to? Wanna try, Roy?
Huh? What is that?
Sashimi.
There's the rare steak you want. You guys try?
That would never happen in real life though.
Rare? Meron?
Is this sashimi?
Fresh. Eat smart.
Boba! Ito si Abby. Abby?
How's the sashimi dyan? Good, huh? Ito.
I ate a fat. Wait. So there's like
Tyson, sashimi.
There's no alcohol in here?
Oh, I'm okay.
Zero.
I like the spaghetti.
Can I just try it?
Yeah.
Guys, can I try this?
No, I'm okay.
It's zero up.
That's for the babies. Babies.
Baby?
Baby.
I'm okay.
That's disgusting. Oh my gosh, it actually tastes like beer.
Yeah. Wait, you didn't try the
Oh, that's gross.
What is that?
There's
Zero?
zero calorie.
No, that's. Oh, really? This one's
Oh,
zero.
that's a sake.
Yeah,
You never knew that.
zero.
That's crazy.
Corona?
Corona?
Ah, Corona.
Yeah, they have the zero count or zero non-alcoholic.
Yeah. Non-alcohol.
Yeah.
That's me. Mm. Ah. Baba ano? Hindi ba? Merry Christmas, sarap.
Hindi ko sarap yung gold milk na ano. Yung may ano cranberry. Yeah, but you just like girl, is it?
Oh yeah,
The
don't
chuma.
that, don't get too much.
That's so good.
So you grab.
How do you want to try it? So you go like this, you add a little
Sabi
bit
nila
of
dito
cheese.
yung ano, fried rice.
He made it.
Oh, that's good.
He always makes it.
Ayun?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Look at that. You want to try it?
Wait, you have to grip?
Good?
Uh-huh.
Easy part was the best part. Let's go cheese.
Try ko ba ito? Try.
Yeah.
Ako nga, marunong naman pwede na.
Oh mom, did you try
No.
the rice?
There's one on top of chocolate.
Yeah, I want to try this one.
Those are good, Ken.
Over them.
We're gonna use this one.
Oh, you like?
Kaya pwede na.
Oh, try
Pwede.
Good? Yeah.
Try that cheese.
Yeah, I don't cook, he does.
The mozzarella.
Oh, the one that I bought?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's healthier.
Yeah, that one is good. Oh. Yeah,
Baba.
I told you to go cheese.
I don't like that.
Sarap ng fried rice niya.
Good, I like that.
You do?
There's two,
Can I get another? Oh, did you taste it? Oh, good. It's good.
Sabi, ang kikuman ko. Ako meron pa akong kikuman.
Yeah, it's like it's covering over here. Because I don't know what to get.
no, we're having pupunta si Marco.
Oh, I don't know. I hope he understands me. I don't know. Okay, yes, sir. Saan na kayo pupunta na yung Adrian dito? I don't know. Because I haven't been inviting him.
And he has his test. He already took it. Oh, good. Monday. We don't know. He just took it on Monday. Yesterday. Okay.
Oh, ba? Bestseller ang ano?
Egg roll.
Kubos. Zero.
Didn't his family leave him last year? They went to bed without them.
It's not really. Still, they live without him. Like if your cousin was like at home and lives with you, it's weird. Yeah.
Gawin. American Xmasss tayo.
You want some dessert? Come here, there's a bunch. Dessert time.
Dessert na kayo?
Wait, Roy, is this Nutella? What Liv made?
Thanks, Omar. Thanks, it's good.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Yeah.
I want white peppermint.
Peppermint? Oh. Here, but Liv made this one. Wanna try the Uber?
What's the white one?
Peppermint? Dad, try this. Liv made it. Oh, you want to try electrify? Have you tried the Filipino one yet? Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Wait, can I try this one?
Yeah. But this is good, like, you have to come to lunch. Yeah. So there's a Mexican version and then there's a Filipino version.
Did you know this, how did you know this, Filipino?
What do you mean Filipino?
That one.
Wait, where did you go to the
Filipino store?
That's,
Oh wait, so is it Filipino or what?
Patiin mo muna.
he said it came from,
Is it Filipino?
Try it first. I don't know.
We don't know if it's Filipino.
Sarap? Yeah, honest. Honest.
Oh, it's Filipino.
Is there lemon in that?
Is that the finish right away? Oh, it does taste lemony.
Yeah, right?
oh, pag may, yeah. Well, sometimes they do that.
Sarap binili yan.
Binigay ni Elizabeth. Ang kapit-bahay.
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Yung nandiyan sa ano? Nandiyan o, yan.
Boba, boba. Ah. Gusto mo? Ha? Gusto mo?
Ali, when you put it, kailangan yung dalawang paa magkasabay. Hindi siya kakasya. Dalawang paa sabay. Put it on the bottom first. Ilahin mo muna yung paa bago yung mukha.
More of that.
Okay, come here. I told you, ilahin mo muna yung dalawang paa. Ibaba mo muna siya.
Oh my god, you guys ate all of it!
Yung paa.
Wait, Allie!
Rocky boy, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Put it first. Huh? Yung paa niya lang.
Diyan?
Wait, Angel, I have the game out. No, there's no more chocolate! What the hell? No, I want
Sino mo, boss? Ang dami yun.
Is the peppermint on it?
You want to try, Tyson?
Oh, I'm okay then.
Okay.
No.
Thank you
I
though.
want to do it one better.
I'm-
You know the good shit.
May namimiss ako pag naalala ko to eh.
Where'd you go? That one?
No? Yeah, you get me? I miss somebody.
Huh? Huh?
Namimiss ko si, ano, Kevin.
Wait, why?
Kevin, you always like, no, she likes it. Like, when I put the thing, he
So
said,
that's what interesting.
Huh?
Like, I'm
Kevin, ito, lagi yan. When Kevin is like,
Where's not here? Oh, really? Yeah. I don't.
and I put a lot of wasabi. It's like, I have a video of that. Kevin.
Oh, shoot. Oh, scary.
Ollie, I got the towel out.
Let's go out, Abby.
Come on, Abby. Out. Out first. Come on, Abby. Out. Come on, Abby. Come on, Abby. Here. Oh, Abby.
Dad, try this on your pants.
This one?
Tag on the pants.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna return it.
Hey, come here. Go back. Out.
Kilawin tayo, kilawin. Kilawin. Merry Christmas.
Ano lasa kung ano? Okay. Kaya, kailangan mo ube. I like it. We did.
Did you buy it or did you?
I just decided to rub the whole.
Shot.
Ang bunting.
I don't know if I ever do that.
Oh, no, look at the ice cream. Yeah.
Okay, you guys want to start the game?
Oh, it's easy.
Okay, go, start it.
What is that, April? You know that was scary. I felt like I was possessed for a second. Dude, it's actually so scary.
It's like you burp, but then like
Yeah.
it sounded like a robot, bro.
I thought I only heard that like to myself.
Why would ilaw dun?
Dude, I thought I
Oh, bobo.
Okay, so basically you have a topic and then you click the letter. It resets every time
Oh my god, wait. This part, guys.
she was super high. And she didn't know it. Who was? Where are you?
Oh, you were cousins?
Merry Christmas.
No, they're ex. But now they're dating each other's
Cousins?
No, they're.
current boyfriend and girlfriend. So like siblings.
Excuse me.
Oh,
Okay.
you wanna play with us? It's easy.
Okay, go.
Wait, cowboy!
Let's play.
Oh, okay. Ready?
How's it?
Ilaw. need lights?
No. Okay, we're gonna play Ouija board.
Okay. So you guys get the game. It's easy. Okay, ready?
What's the topic?
Okay, the first.
Just start
one.
from here, so we go after.
Just starting.
Banana and then go this way.
Ano name yung game
This
yan?
Tyson, you know what to play?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Ali, you go first, I'll go second. Okay, ready? First topic. At the beach.
What do you mean at the beach?
Like whatever you see at the beach.
Yeah, something at the beach. But you're up. Go.
Oh.
Deer.
Anything you see at the beach.
Did she say deer?
Deer.
Where's a U? There's no U.
There's no you. Come on, think of a different
Oh
one.
wow. Dad, you wanna play?
Dang
it.
Hey,
Okay,
there's a lot of
okay.
things at the beach.
Oh, you just watch first and you can play the next one.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Guys.
Guys!
Elote.
Shell?
A lot then.
What the?
Yeah, elote at the beach. Go,
Shell.
go. Come on, get creative, people.
Oh.
Peace out.
Horchata.
But you just said the whole Mexican.
What? You already said!
Nobody says horchata at the beach. Go for it.
What? There is.
There's no.
That's why you can't say
I can
elote.
literally say like
Yeah.
that.
What'd you say?
Like every 3 seconds.
What did you say?
That's a good one. Okay.
Okay, we can't say
Well,
food.
let's pick a different one. Okay. Wait.
restart it, though.
Can you restart it?
No, it's fine.
Oh, what?
Okay, here. Things at a party.
Okay.
Things where?
The other way.
At a party.
Party.
Here, do you want to play,
Party.
Dad?
I'll go first.
Alcohol.
And then.
Okay, just play. You could be next.
Dad, you wanna play?
Okay.
Okay.
So you're after
I'll go first.
Tyson. After Tyson, Dad.
Beer.
Click it.
Press it. Dad, go.
Do that.
Things at a party.
Shot glass. S. Right?
Uh-huh.
I'm pressing things then.
Okay.
Wait!
Woman.
Woman! Okay, your turn, your turn. I took yours.
Come on, there's a bunch. You're always there.
Girls.
Press it.
Oh.
Bakit
No, he
tumutunog?
made it, he made it.
I
He made
did
it.
it.
Yeah, but go for it.
Cocaine.
What?
Okay. That's actually true.
Okay,
Who's
Tirana.
next? Oh, you Lana.
Wait, why is my mind not
I know.
working?
Hey.
Oh,
Yeah.
She's out.
Okay. Tag.
same thing?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, shoot.
Dad, you're next.
Beer.
No.
Oh,
You gotta make sure.
Oh my God.
wine.
Wine.
There's no double A's again. Okay.
Oh, shoot. Ganun ba yun?
Drugs.
May timer siya, no? So, out na ako.
Yeah.
Man. May ilang pala to?
Crazy. Rape.
What?
Music.
Oh my god.
Hey, it happens at a party, bro.
Entertainment.
Oh. Peer pressure.
Wait, is that to play?
No, wala na. Out na ako.
Nicotine.
Nicotine!
I thought you were gonna say the N word.
Oh.
Smoke!
4 years, you're like.
Ilang seconds ang
Just
ano
think
yan?
of one letter.
Oh, kala mo ubos.
What in the heck?
Drugs. Oh, I got another one. I got another
Wait,
one.
Dad, hold on. You're missing
Wait,
out.
Ilang letters pa? T, N?
Yeah, yeah.
And I did.
Oh.
Okay, so Dad.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Pwede pa ako.
No.
So N?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Fine. Oh,
Nice.
that's
That's a good one.
Me?
No, it's Ito. Dad,
Yeah,
you're
but-
Ay,
out.
out na pala ako. No?
At a party?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ice cream.
Is that? Oh, okay. Bruh.
Ice cream and crab?
That's good, that's good,
Yeah,
that's
what?
good.
So anything that happens or a
It,
thing?
it could be a birthday party.
Huh?
It could be anything at a party.
Things at a party.
Everyone, I'll give 20 bucks.
Oo, ito
Oh,
yun.
you said-
Oh, no, redo it again.
Okay, Mom, you want to play?
Not too bad, bro.
Okay,
Cool
fast,
boys?
fast food.
Fast food?
Oh, okay.
Oh, me.
Tyson,
Can I go?
start now. Tyson, yeah.
I won!
Go in a circle.
Okay, go, Tyson.
Start?
Yeah.
Dad, go this way.
Sonic.
Click it back.
Burger.
No,
Oh,
fast
yeah.
food!
Fast
Fast
food,
food!
like-
No,
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Same, McDonald's.
Yeah. No,
I-
it's not restaurants.
Wingstop.
Foods.
Just do it.
I thought it's
Food.
what do you see
Yeah,
inside the
I
fast food?
was gonna say baking.
Fast food.
Fast food.
No, fast food.
It's like a fast food restaurant, right?
Fast food.
Fries.
Fast food.
Yeah, I know what it is. Fast food means eat. What you eat?
Ah, there you go. Yeah.
Fast food
It's like-
restaurant.
I didn't say
What is it,
restaurant.
restaurant?
There's a thing called
Canes,
restaurant.
Okay, go.
Yeah, but it'll be easier if it's the name.
See if you gotta figure out.
Okay, it's okay. I got.
Fast
Yeah.
food means
Okay,
fast
let's-
food. Fries.
Okay.
Let's state what it is before
Okay, can we
start.
do-
Yeah, start off.
Okay,
Fast
discussing.
food, fast is what you eat. Eat, not the
Alright,
restaurant.
next one.
Not actually McDonald's or.
Just forget everyone.
Okay, choose.
That was a good one.
I was ready to name all the.
Wendy's. Bruh.
Kinda.
Oh, you took my W.
Hey, you can't pick it.
They're all kind of weird. No,
Oh,
turn
you want
it.
to
Turn the
do
other way.
fictional face?
No, we tried that one. That was hard.
Nah, I think I'll be good with those.
Go groceries. Oh, here, this one's funny. U.S. cities.
US cities?
Oh,
Okay.
I don't know
I was
U.S.
thinking
cities.
of countries. Sorry.
Cities like.
No, bro, I can't do that.
Here, player's choice. What does that mean?
What does
You
that
can
mean?
pick whatever you want.
What topic?
Oh, nice.
Me?
Yeah.
Who wants to vote?
Schools. In California.
Daddy, you know, oh, like colleges?
Colleges.
Oh, how about
Universities.
TV shows that we all know?
No.
Oh man.
My
I'm...
breakfast food.
Okay,
What
okay, yeah.
What about movies?
It's always
Breakfast
weird.
food. Go.
What is it?
Okay.
Breakfast
So do I
food.
just
Okay, breakfast food.
eggs?
Bagel. Say I call it bagel.
No, that's always you.
Bagel.
Did you even press it?
I did.
Toast.
I was gonna say
Hash browns.
Guys, you still.
Who?
Uh,
Pag ano? Who? Eggs?
You're after
Pancakes.
me.
Okay.
Nice.
Oranges.
Eggs.
Bro, what is
You already said that.
Think of a letter.
Oh man, juice.
That's good.
Yeah.
Apples.
Oh.
Fine.
This is breakfast
Breakfast food.
Oh man.
Grapes.
I was gonna say.
Cinnabons.
What are these?
The most important one for Filipinos, Roy. The most important thing.
Mangoes.
Ah no.
Fine.
Go. The most important one in Filipinos.
Stop, Dad. Stop. Don't get helping.
Right.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, you got it.
Oh, wait.
Lemon.
Okay, what?
Lemon.
Okay, you can say
Lemon
lemonade.
juice.
Lemonade.
7 in the morning. I don't know. You don't make up shit, bro.
Shit.
Alright,
Ah.
Okay, time to go.
Dad, that's why you can't give it out.
I know. Okay,
For breakfast food?
that's good. That's it.
What did you
Okay,
say?
no.
What did you say?
What did you say?
Sino nalo?
Okay, let's do desserts.
Oh, yes, I like that one. Okay. Ace, this is perfect.
Can I go first?
Okay, go, Angel.
Okay, we'll
And
go.
then Ace. And
Oh
then
wait,
go.
countries. You want to
Yeah,
No, let. Actually, Dad, you
Oh,
go first,
muna.
and then I go.
Okay, ako muna. Dessert? Pie.
Okay.
Why are you making it so hard?
Why?
Angel!
Good.
Wait. Brownie.
Apple pie.
That's pie. Banana pie.
We did a banana though.
Cinnabon.
Wait, dessert.
Oh shit.
Ice cream.
Jackfruit.
Mango. Juice.
Wait, wintermelon boba.
Oh, good job. That's a good one.
Shave ice.
Oh.
French toast.
Wait.
Good job.
Wait.
Dessert,
What is
right?
this again? Dessert.
Hello.
Nahirap din yan eh, yung dessert. Kasi,
Ooh, I know.
Crepes.
oh, galing yan.
It's with a C.
Yeah, it's dumb. What the hell?
Lemon pie.
Lemon pie. Orange pie.
Lemon pie orange.
Ah, no.
ano?
Country.
I don't know my
Country.
country.
Yeah. I can't do that.
Yes.
Yes, you can, bro. It's actually not that bad.
I don't know. Which
I don't
one?
know.
I get
Yeah.
Country.
confused.
Okay, actually go. Let's
What's
go.
the country again?
Philippines.
Okay.
Philippines.
Japan.
You pinuntahan mo.
Wait, so it's the big ones, right?
Yeah.
Not the continent.
What's the continent?
Go, go.
I'm confused.
Where you from?
Egypt, wait.
Egypt.
Go then.
Uh,
Oh, they don't have it.
Green, Poland. Ano?
Oh, that's already used.
Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, good, good.
Wait, I don't know.
Angel.
Yeah.
Where is Auntie Michelle from?
Canada.
C. There you go.
Greece.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Belize.
Belize.
Denmark.
Canada. Cell phone. Where you get your phone?
Cell phone.
Yeah. Letter F.
Dad, you're messing
Oh.
with
Go.
my brain.
Where is that?
I was like,
Malaysia.
Oh, that's in Monaco.
Finland.
oh no.
That's a cell phone. Ano? Yeah.
China.
Letter N, Angel.
Oh,
I have something in my mind. Letter N.
Where all the hot girlies are at.
What is it?
Ace.
Russia.
What is it called?
Kazakhstan.
Oh, you know a lot of your
Okay,
countries.
so got it. Lebanon.
Slovakia.
Ooh.
Norway.
Yeah.
Oh.
Meron pa ako niyan. I knew that one. I know. Yes.
Oh,
Orange
yeah.
County.
Tell me. I'm not playing anymore. Dad, what is it?
Ay, hindi. Part pala yan.
Oh.
Zamina?
Who?
Ace, it was.
Oh,
it's you.
that was you.
Just go, just go.
Just go. Ace, this is
West Africa. Bro.
Oh. Sino?
Alright, you're out. Tanzania.
Never heard of that.
Next. Ako?
Holland?
No.
Tyson.
That's not big. That's not. No, that's not.
It's Poland.
Naming stuff. Oh.
Go there. Dad.
Italy.
Ah! Italy!
Okay, we're done.
Italy, Indonesia,
Yeah.
You can say India.
India.
Oh, here you go. Pizza topping.
Oh,
Bro, that's just anything. That's anything though.
Oh, yeah, that's,
Fine, fine. Something red.
You wanna do cities?
Guys,
Oh, okay,
red.
yeah.
Roy, you start. Something red.
something red.
Okay, first. Go.
Oh shit, I wanna.
Apple.
Thank you.
Go, Ace.
Wait, me? What's that? Well, I thought it was gonna.
Something red. Alam mo na yun, eh.
Blood. Blood.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Kape?
Heart.
Oh, good one.
Oh, ako?
Yeah.
Red. Pantulog, sleepwear. Yes.
No, you're out.
No, I got it.
No, it's the timer went off.
Lingerie, is
Oh,
that
okay,
lingerie?
Tyson.
Oh, come on.
Boxer short.
Raspberry.
Too late.
Say red color.
No, he said it though.
Red color nga eh.
Tomato.
No, it's like natural.
first.
Natural red.
Okay. Organs.
Jelly.
Angel's hard.
I'm trying to get around.
Dragon fruit.
Skip that. Oh.
Is it red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's
That is still playing?
Me, no.
It's red.
I'm done.
Red stain.
I'm about.
Oh,
You
yeah.
are?
flag.
Oh, this is hard.
Red flag.
Should we start over?
No.
No.
You
Go.
go.
Yung tapusin, yung tapusin.
You're next.
I'm out.
No, no.
Oh, I know one. Just look at one. Lipstick.
Wow.
Great.
Hello, Merry Christmas. I'm not
I'm
Eight
out.
aces out.
Oh, really?
I got one though.
Angel go.
Ah.
Okay, who's next?
No.
We're out.
Makeup.
You and Roy.
Look at one letter. Okay, I win.
Wine.
Ah.
Red wine.
I was
I was thinking that one too.
I was like, what's the
I was like, water?
Next.
You like a different kind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here, body parts.
Uh-oh. Okay. Anatomy.
Okay, I'll go first.
Let's go anatomy.
Go, Angel.
Angel, body parts.
Boobs.
Boobs, second thing. Who's
Oh,
next?
go,
Me?
go, yeah.
Eyes.
Kaya nga, di ba pag
Huh?
nandun,
Legs.
tayo nandun sa
Arms.
That's a lot.
Penis!
Capillaries.
Wow. Come on, Ace. That's a lot.
I was gonna say femur.
Nipples.
Shit, oh, part of the boobs. Nose.
I already said.
Oh man.
Toes, toes.
Toes. Okay. Oh. No, I think that's. I'm about to say that. That's lungs.
Yeah, that's how you go.
Yeah, respiratory is lungs. I'm about to say that.
I thought it was gonna be the same way.
Oh, that's easy.
Bro, so
Look at this
where-
one.
Doing the
What do you,
easiest
come
one.
on. What do you eat with? Where'd it go?
Oh, my mind went blank.
Are you done, Angel?
Yeah.
You're out? Not
Yeah,
yet?
I'm out, I'm out.
My turn?
Yeah.
Can't think anymore after.
Dali lang yan.
Oh, I had that in my head.
Okay, who's next?
Huh?
No, Tana.
Wait, who's
Are you still
in?
playing?
So what are we doing again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, you're out.
It's part of the, ano.
Dude, the I one is easy, guys. Come on.
Oh, I know.
I'm not playing anymore. We're not playing.
Tyson is bro, respiratory, respiratory.
All out. No more words.
Is it just me and Roy?
No, I'm out.
No, Ace. Ace.
I'm out. Bro,
Oh, it's tested.
Yeah, it tested.
Oh, that's it. You're the only one. Oh.
What's the O? What about O?
Oh, you can do optics. It's part of your eye.
Iris.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do other one. What's the other one?
Respiratory.
Yeah, lungs.
That works. Part somewhere.
But we can do jaws and occupation.
What about in the bathroom?
In the bathroom, yeah.
Oh, we can do
You
jaws.
want to do it in the bathroom?
Jaws.
Let's do it.
Robbie boy,
Okay, let's
wanna
do
join?
jaws.
You wanna join, Robbie boy?
No, not yet.
Not yet, down not yet.
Hi. Okay, let's do jaws.
Okay, I'll go.
No, let boys start.
Cable workers.
What is that? Ano tayo?
Wow, job.
Jobs.
Jobs?
Yeah. You're next after Tyson.
Hindi tayo.
Go, go, Dan.
Technician.
Lab assistant. Yeah, there you go.
Barber.
The bottom is. Optometrist.
Oh, you gotta know how to say it if you're gonna say it.
Oh.
Dancer.
Dancer.
Geologist.
Electrician.
Oh. That's weird.
Come on, there's a bunch. You just
Ah!
I got it.
Oh, wait.
McDonald's worker.
Ano na?
No, you can't say that, bro.
You can't be one D.
That's just fast food.
Yeah.
Hard
You have to
surgery.
say like
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Bruh.
Fast food worker.
Yeah, baby.
Dang it. It's like
Okay, good. What's
welder.
Oh, that's a good.
Jobless.
That
That is
Oh my God.
That is
Whatever.
Oh, shit.
patient.
You're out.
Aerospace.
Aren't you out? Oh.
Oh, can you say
No, that's new.
Oh.
Meron pa isa.
Me turn.
Okay.
Ice cream man.
Huh?
Skip me. Oh, you're
He's skinny too.
Everybody this way.
Ah, good job. That was the first one.
Jobless. I like it.
Wow.
That's an employment.
No,
You guys wanna do ED?
There you go.
Hard? Let's do.
Yeah, let's do
you
something
guys-
hard.
you
Oh
ready
yeah,
for
let's
one?
do something hard.
Let's do actors.
Okay.
Oh, I'm not going
But
to.
it has to be someone that we know.
How about artists?
How about toys?
Or how about? Oh.
Can we do singer?
How about bad habits?
Or
No, I
TV
can-
Oh, yeah. Let's do that one.
Oh wait,
Bad
something,
habit.
something round.
Huh?
No, bad habit.
Bad habit.
Okay, fine, go. And we all have to agree.
That's a hard one.
Do you guys want to do fish? That's a hard one though.
Yeah.
What about something round?
Okay, something round.
Easy. Okay.
Something round.
Okay. Orange.
Okay.
Eyes.
Balls.
I was gonna say that. Damn it.
Ano ka mo?
You know, there's a bunch of things.
Oo, bala na yung allowance ni Michelle. Hindi, ibigay
I
na.
don't know. I think I
Oh, nice.
Donuts.
Soccer ball.
Ay, hindi, tapos binigay
Oh, wow.
ni Michelle.
Who?
Me.
Ay, hindi na daw bakit.
I think our brain just stopped.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
Kite.
Huh?
Kite, I have a kite round.
Okay.
My kite is round.
Tennis ball.
You're out.
Tennis ball.
Oh my god.
Your kites are not
Yeah,
round.
you I know I do have kite round. Oh, search it up. Your Google.
Pellet ball.
Bruh.
No, it's not okay.
Tennis ball.
No, I'm out.
Oh.
But,
Golf or home?
Oh.
go for what?
Golf ball.
Golf ball.
Oh, yeah, golf ball.
Golfer balls.
I meant golf or like.
Oh shit, I lost.
You have to do what? You want to do weapons?
Wala.
Let's do weapons.
Weapons.
I don't know anything about weapons. Fine, girl, let's do it.
Mukhang hindi masarap yun.
Sphere.
Okay, I don't
Okay.
know. I don't know.
Go.
Nice.
Daming laman yun.
Oh,
I don't want to play anymore.
Which one is the deadly?
AK-47.
Which one is deadliest? Tang. Anyway,
What?
tang is the deadliest weapon.
Oh my God.
Easy, fella.
Yeah, tang.
I said mouse.
It's true though. You're right.
You're gonna hurt your feelings.
Cannon.
Bomb.
Oh, no, piece.
Only weapon. The devil.
Nakita ko mukha dun sa yung matanda doon, si Nita.
Maliit na babae.
No.
I was just a
Yeah, that was hard.
Uh,
That hard? Just give him some damage.
Grenade.
Grenade. Wow.
Brain hurts now.
Wala na.
Should we open up gifts?
That's it.
Yes.
Oh, pero let's open gift.
Hey, get out
Gift
of the
time.
house.
gift time?
Mom, it's Christmas.
Yeah.
Who are you talking to? Yeah, be in the Christmas.
Nita Tat!
Happy birthday. Merry Christmas, Tia Tats.
No, get up.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Dahil pang pagkain.
Mom, we're gonna do gifts now.
Okay, gift na.
You're always every year.
the next couple days, man.
No, you always violate.
Yeah,
Said that last year too.
I know. Hey, I get you.
I didn't remember that. God. I didn't have any other 2 years straight.
Oh, yeah. Should I tell who it is right now?
Okay.
Okay, who wants to go first? Ace, you wanna go first?
Oh, yeah, well, I got you your jeans, but she's not coming yet.
What? Are you serious?
Hey, no, that's
Oh, show him, show
Wow,
him.
bruh.
When
Whatever
did
you
buy
got,
it?
you're
When did
rich.
you buy it?
Like 2 weeks ago, bro.
It's all celebrate Morris Baby.
Hey, I got
It's okay, I got you.
you. Yeah. It's okay, I got you something too.
I got you something too, but it's in the mail.
Okay. Ace, what's this?
Oh, yeah, and yeah, Friday, mom and dad Friday. Dad Friday, okay?
Okay, lagi narinig si Ace. Every year.
What, Friday?
Please be.
Okay. Okay, it's okay.
Bro, I really got it though.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, no. Wanna go first?
Okay, I'll go.
Okay, go, Jel.
You can have my gift.
Hey.
No! Bro!
Such a deep, bro.
Wait, that's pizza of the way.
Turn off?
A little bit.
Little bit. Okay na yan?
It's not Princess Polly.
I thought it was Princess Polly.
My storage.
Oh,
Wow.
there's Secret Santa. It's Allie, bro.
Yes, yes,
Wait,
yes.
it's
Who
Allie.
is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Hey, you know, just give it to the person.
Open
They're all
it.
the same after
Oh my
that.
god, this is raunchy. Wait! I heard about this book.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did like a research.
Yay! Wait!
Oh, what happened?
You got me large? Oh, it's the.
Wait, is that not your size?
Oh yeah, it is the big one. Wait, where'd you get this from?
Amazon.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my god.
Bra. Sports bra?
Yes.
Yay! And you can go to
Hanap ka lang siya sa amin sa labas.
Wow.
Hanap si
Thank
Abby
you,
sa labas.
Angel.
Oh, I think she's in my room.
Damn.
Si Abby.
What?
Oh my god, another one?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect.
I know. Thank you. Wow.
Oh, wait, and I also got you guys something like a little.
Yeah, do it.
Oh, it's in the mail.
Wow.
But I got you a beanie
And some underwear.
Wait, how would you?
What?
Yeah,
It's a cheap
I would turn that one. And
No, no,
then
no.
make sure
No, no, no. Mine is like a cheap beanie.
Okay, you want me to list?
Wait, do you have one for what?
Oh, no, look at that later.
Okay.
Oh, wait, actually, yeah.
Yeah, give it.
No, wait. I have that.
Yeah, give one to them.
Okay, this is from all of us.
All of us? No, I didn't.
Okay, whoever.
Yeah.
Who's that from? Is that yours?
For that.
From you?
For everyone.
I have my own gift. Me too.
From
Me and
Angel?
Ace. For me and Ace.
Yeah, we have our own gift.
Yeah,
That's what
Sabi
I'm saying.
nga ni Ace, ano, Friday pa raw si Ace eh.
Okay.
Wow!
Oh!
Oh! I know this one!
It's a dupe.
I know.
Got it, got it.
What is it?
What is that thing?
Yung
It's
ano.
the
cord?
glasses with the
Camera?
with music.
Oh my god.
Thank you, Jam.
It's the glasses with the music, so you can like walk and.
No!
No, it's the other.
I can spy every anyway. Thank you guys.
Okay, my turn. Who's the lucky person?
Oh, there was a.
Oh, thank you.
It's you.
Wait. Okay. Wait, what? Are you missing your setup?
Yes.
Bro, what's that?
Surprise. Wait, do this one first.
I thought it was Roy the whole time.
Kaya kasi sabi ko si Roy.
Yeah, we got each other! What the heck? Wait, this is the worst
I didn't
time
know
each other, bro.
I didn't even know he got me.
Wait, I don't know what it is.
You kept changing your
I forgot what I asked.
Walang crush dyan.
Dad, can you get back?
Oh,
Wait,
you got me the DJ. Thank you. Dude,
Oh, that's the one you wanted.
You didn't have that one already?
She wants that one again. I don't know why.
Hey, I did a lot. Here, put it. Let's see how this. Thank you. This is already like. Thank you.
Throw this away?
Wait,
Parang
open
long.
that
Throw
one.
this away?
Yeah, put it in there.
Oh man, we can use that.
Ito,
I know, Ace. I got me too.
Pwede yun yung next year.
Bruh.
Lungkot naman yung music niya.
Boy, who picked this? Whatever, no one's
Oh,
picked
no.
this. Whoa! Cheetos!
Cheetos.
Woo! Yeah.
Homebody?
Wait, oh, thank you.
Ang dami naman!
Wait, open the letter. Open the letter.
Lucky!
What is this?
Lucky!
Oh, thank you. So nice. Yeah, these are expensive.
Wait, the letter, bitch. Open it.
Oh, read it for everyone?
Yeah, read it.
Oh my god, it's I love Asia.
Wow.
Woo! Oh, we're matching. Oh, this is cute. Come here, we can wear it together. It's so fun to play now. Wait, what is it here? Wow, right on the left. Yeah. Wow.
What?
What?
What? Why? You don't like it?
No, I like it.
That's nice.
It looks like we're skinny people. Wait, oh my god. Oh yeah, baby, my neck, I'm so nice. What is that? Thank you. Wow. Wow, it's like this.
Huh?
Ay, mami, ka rin? Oh, yeah.
Yes!
Bro.
Thank you.
Socks? I got candy. These are not thinking.
Yeah, I'll give this like a day.
It's my turn?
Oh!
Yeah. It's me.
Is it?
Oh my
I
gosh.
never got one.
Okay, this is my favorite.
Oh,
Feeling it up.
There you go.
Oh, what?
Smaller one, smaller one.
that's a nice wrapping.
So you saw this?
Oh, you want it? I appreciate socks.
Bro, that one just came in today.
Oh, really? I think I saw that. These are the socks that you have last year.
I need more.
These are not
Wait,
washing.
who got out in
I
them?
am. Hey, you want some?
What is it?
I hope it's the right one.
Like, what is it? What did you get? Yeah, I know.
You're supposed to make it fall asleep, yeah?
No, I think it's
Make it fall asleep?
Yeah.
Actually?
But is it like a
Wait,
prescribed
you
from the
no,
side?
exactly. It's a nose of the
Wait, why would you give me melatonin?
What is it?
Oh, this one's for memory.
What is it? It's a Oh, I saw it from the side. No, from the side. Oh my god, look, I'm gonna be a Korean pop star. Thank you.
Maybe you said on the notes. Get it from the side.
No, because Amazon's free.
Yeah.
Oh, you sent me the
Yeah.
Bro, it took
Look
like,
at this.
it took a month.
Oh, don't shake it.
I bought it like a month ago, it just came through.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Oh, the peach tree. Not
Congrats, congrats.
Oh, thank you.
I have to wait for it.
Amazon.
Oh, it's like now I can't buy it. Like,
When you get cosmetic products on Amazon, you put them on face. You have to get directly on the side. I get the you have like a
Oh, we're going different. I know. They got money.
oh wait, Dad. Oh,
Dad. Only for Dad.
there you go. Mom, this is from me and me.
What is this?
Here we go. No, like, cover her eyes.
This is my green trophy.
Wait, look at your whole top.
Huh?
This
Right
is
here. There's my. I hope. I hope.
Ganyan ba yan eh? Pagkano yun?
No, I did not.
Well, I think you're 7.5. Because I'm 7.5, but you're together. No, I like the.
You're wearing things nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I can work everything down.
What is that? I don't know.
Spray. Spray.
I guess like 2 inches, huh?
How does it feel? How does it feel comfy? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Roy. Thank you, Angel.
This one's for all of us.
Make sure you don't.
Oh yeah, what are you guys doing?
Again.
Oh, this is
Oh, okay. It got hot.
This is yours.
Wow!
This one's for Thank you, right? From you? You know? Wow. Yeah, there you go.
You don't bring your shoes.
Yeah. We're telling you not to wear your house.
Nice.
Tell the price.
Huh?
No, not the price. I checked the chat size.
Where you going?
No, yeah, you forgot to take out the price. Go on, you can take out the price.
Oh shit, I forgot. That's good.
Wait, there's some.
Yeah, I mean that's not.
Wow. Want me to slip every day? Oh, the whole day. I'm gonna hide from
Wait, Dad, try that. Try that.
It's fluffy.
Yeah.
It's so soft. Wow. Stay at home, Dad. That's your dad. But your turn. Oh,
My turn?
okay, my turn.
Hold on.
Oh, no, here. Happy daddy pala yan.
Oh, Dad.
Okay. For my firstborn. Yay! That's
Hey, what? Why would you do that?
I don't know. She made a comment about my shoes.
Just put that up.
The same one? Same one. Oh my god, we are good.
Wow!
Are you the size? Are you the size?
No, it's 8.5.
Damn!
We need to work more.
Hey, give it to me.
I told you all, they were the right now.
What size?
Bro, yeah. She literally made the comment, oh, you need shoes.
I know. Dude, I was like, oh, this is probably something. I'm gonna get my seat back up, but-
Wait, can I see you?
Let's go.
No, what's it? No.
What is that?
Oh,
What is that?
my God. This is like, this is a gold
Oh,
ball.
okay.
This is work for.
I want to work on.
Hey, oh, this one is better. The cushion. Okay, for my second born. You need to work more. Okay, open
You
it.
got all everything working.
I know. Look, but look what Dude, I never got fixed in my life.
You got big?
It's not you wish. Oh, I do.
No way, bro.
It's not big. It's better than big.
Uniform. I think it's uniform.
No, but it's
Open
let him
it.
figure it out.
Open it.
It is
Okay.
Is it? Oh, no.
It looks like it.
Tanggalin mo. Open mo.
It's waterproof.
Or
Oh, like, open the
Bring
lid.
it open,
you can
man.
That's a knife. Give him the knife.
yeah, in the knife.
What? We don't need that.
Careful. Wow.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes,
Uniform. Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
What you want, right?
Yeah,
The
mga
one on your list?
We never seen that brand, but that's
That's the one on your list.
Isn't it?
Sandals.
I don't think so.
No, but
It's
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
Just,
I like it.
that's fine. Yeah.
What did it say, Mom?
It's like Chuck.
It's Pro Club.
Ay, ba yan? Iba ba yung brand?
Club.
What brand is it?
I don't know. That's a nice
Yun naman yung brand.
brand.
Yeah.
Or, mahal yan ah.
No, that's
What is it?
Huh?
Search it up. Google it.
$25.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
look at the brand.
What is it?
The one that I got it
Mom.
from your list.
See, you know how you texted me that? I even showed you the real, the real one. See, what is this?
That's a real one.
Wait, so how much was that? Was that
This is more expensive, huh?
Buksan mo.
Open it.
What is it?
That's, I think that's uniform. Tingnan mo nga, i-search mo yan.
Wow.
Parang
Is this
joke.
scrub? Oh my god!
Look at the brand. Look at the brand.
Pigs?
What is
What
it?
brand?
Wait,
He
there.
doesn't know. He doesn't
I
know.
know.
He should know.
Mandala.
You know that brand?
I know.
Oh, it's waterproof, Ace.
What? Wow! I don't have to use my school ones anymore.
That's a nice
Thank
one.
you.
Nice brand.
It's a nice brand.
Oh, wait, what's the other one?
Wow.
Open it. Hey, open the other one.
Wait, look at this.
What size did you get, Mom?
It's large.
Medium.
Oh, that's nice.
That's too big.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
But
Oh,
it looks big, but
No, you can
fits.
put it here. Here, put it somewhere.
No, that was perfect
you
actually.
can use it outside. Like Dickies.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Still shirt. You're good.
Why is it supposed to be soft?
Mandela, dude. Is that nose? Like, yeah, that's really good.
Wow, thanks. Wow.
No, no,
This
no.
one looks
What's your
clean,
word,
bro.
bro?
This one looks actually yeah, no, people wear normal clothes.
Wait, so you said it's waterproof?
You just wear yeah, that's what-
People like vomit on you at work.
oh,
That looks so soft.
It's supposed to be oversized.
Yeah, I think they were your too small.
How big?
No, that's perfect. That's good.
Fine, right?
Yeah.
Yung isa pa. Uy, ano pa?
I think you're
Isa pa
eating.
yun. Nahulog.
Like, this small would have been too
Oh,
small.
what did it work?
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
4 hours. You work every day. 24.
She's trying to trick us, guys. She's trying to get to work more.
Hey, what is it? Oh, it's like a cover?
Oh, it is.
Huh?
That's so nice.
Oh, it's a shirt?
Different style.
Oh, it's hot.
One
This
pack,
one
one packet.
Oh.
What do you mean, like another?
The other one is two packet.
Come on, here.
Oh, yeah, there's.
Papa, I like this shit.
Come
Come on, Papa. Come here. Same color, right?
He's excited to go to work now. No, but this part is
Different style. Okay, where's my next? Sino nga next po si Ali? Ali, for sure.
I had a message to say.
Ali!
And she sent me this one first. that's like fire. This is powerful. Both of them are like 24 bucks. So
Wala pa! Di ba naman?
Oh, look at it. Oh!
You should have.
Oh, you didn't have to do that, Mom. Take the box right now.
yeah.
Wait, shoes I wanted.
What is that? What is that?
Where's wrong? Those are nice. When is it coming?
Friday.
Yeah. Wait, Friday night or what?
Where's
I was saying, where's Vegas?
Okay, who's right next? Angel. Same thing. Welcome on 26.
Thank you, Mommy.
Welcome on 26.
What is it?
What is it? What's coming?
She asked me about this, and she sent me this one first. I was like, no. And I sent her the actual one.
What?
Go, dito let the third.
That's so creative.
Thank you. What is that?
Mom, this is so creative. I love it. And I was like, why is there? Oh, there's another one. There's a whole flip one.
I love that.
What is that? Oh,
It's like a platform. She was asking if I
What
wanted.
would you buy?
Oh, yeah. Oh, she was like, okay, right to the door. What is it? It's Gucci. Gucci?
Oh yeah, double bed sheets.
Ah!
You gotta work. I get bed sheets.
Dude!
What is the one I want?
You always ask me about your bed.
What's the difference, right? It's
It's so
Gucci.
cool.
Yeah.
I mean, good for your skin.
What's the other one? Get back.
What is
Wait,
it?
can I see the other one? Wait, is it like a vacuum?
See, over there,
It's
let's
like
do
the.
it.
Oh, it's a good.
Yeah, let me go.
Whoa!
It's
It's
like-
like
it's like the sheet and
I
the.
want to touch.
It's like a hotel bed.
What's the other bed?
I don't know.
Open the other
Oh,
one,
yeah,
open
it's
the other
strong,
one.
no.
I think it's supposed to be.
No, it's a shower. Yeah, underwear.
Ah, nice.
I don't know.
Ano underwear mo? Maganda mo kay Kiana. Okay, guys. So that you don't need to call me. Nasa telephone.
Picture myself.
Open it.
Wait, that's not one. Open it.
Here, I'll
Open it. What is it?
Samsung.
The new phone.
Ayaw niya, Ali.
Like,
Drone. What is it? No way.
No, read it.
Charger, big charger.
Dad, read it.
it's a big orange
Dad,
card.
read it.
Jump starter.
Oh, you're down. See that color.
It's your turn, darling.
Okay, Tyson. Wait, that one, you can keep it in your car. And then you don't have to attach it to another car. You know what I'm saying? So it's like a battery in itself. And then you jumpstart your car.
Dali, ikaw na. Next ka na.
Wait, I wonder what Tyson got.
Wait, okay, I got a. Oh, Tyson. It's a speaker.
Sony! Sony speaker!
What?
Oh.
Why? Dude, I was just like, I think I just gave you a lot of workouts. I know. Dude, you know the black one? Yeah, actually. No, the black one actually.
Okay.
It's exact same.
Ace.
And that's for your Xmasss.
Dad, where's your glasses? He's opening your gift. Come on, bro. I'm so excited.
Oh yeah, Power Girl.
Oh my gosh, this is a good one.
I like this.
Oh my gosh. Are we letting it first? No. That's me, Dad.
Ali.
You can see it from here.
Sabay na sila.
Oh, yeah.
Ito.
Angel.
Kiana.
Thank you.
Surprise ha, sabay-sabay kayo. Go together.
Wait, Dad, that's not the line.
Okay. Open it. Count. 1, 2, 3. Open. Surprise!
It's so soft. It's gonna be my sleeping clothes. Wow, one report. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, look, it's pretty. Wow. Wow, my report. Oh, 1999. Damn. Wait, that's cute. I like it. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, that is pretty. Wow. Wait, oh, wait, here. There's Tyson. Get back to the. Okay. Wait, I want to give this net. Oh, yeah, that's it. Mommy. Start my gift. Wait, here. Go back. Oh, Tyson is a gift.
Ah! Whee! Ace Ultra. Wow! That's big! Golf? Ah, golf.
Wait, that's cool.
Woohoo! Where are you gonna put it? In your room? Ace? Ayaw pa lang, oh.
Dad, you're holding it.
Huh? I'm gonna open it.
Thank you.
Open it, Miguel.
Open it, open it.
You'll go down in history.
Oh, what's that, Kiana?
What?
No, that's not me. It's all him.
More essential.
Ah, nice. Nails done, girl.
Shot. Say shot.
Shut up, Claude. Give me that phone then.
That takes so long.
Ah!
Wow.
Sinabi mo na.
No, you know.
I know.
Thank you.
Oh,
Underwear.
underwear shirt.
You know what under? I'm gonna use it March.
And
March.
for Alan.
Thank
I want to see you open yours.
Okay.
Connor, did you help Tyson with this? Oh wow.
On the other rain.
So I'm excited to see this one.
Dad.
What is it?
I don't know how she feels about this one. Oh, what is it?
Joining in the rain. Here it
What is that?
What is it?
one song.
Cause you know how she's like working on her cars?
Sad things.
Oh, what is that?
It's a wheel compressor.
Oh, wait. Oh, I like
Oh,
that.
yeah. That's better.
What does that mean?
It's the same thing she got for the white elephant. The car tire.
Is it? Oh, is it really?
For air.
No, it's different.
Wait, so does it pump
Yeah,
air?
this is a little different. What is that?
Smart.
This one you have to plug in, and then the other one you don't have to plug in.
Really?
Yeah, you have to plug in.
Oh, so you can just do it at home.
The other one you have to charge. You better watch.
The other one you have to plug it at home, no? Wait, look, yeah,
I
I need
think
to do
you have
that
to
to my
plug
car,
in the car.
actually.
I don't have a cigarette lighter.
Here, practice it on my
Oh
car.
my god, I do. Yeah.
Everybody does.
Thank you. I don't have to go to the gas station anymore.
Yeah, do one tomorrow.
We can do mine too while you're at it.
What is that? Another thing again? Oh, this is the thing that I got. It's kind of like keeps the air in your car. Yeah. You don't have to go to the gas station. Oh, okay. Does it have automatic? Like if I put 35 PSI?
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is something like this? Oh, yeah, you can set it right here. Is it a knife? Right on. You know, where's the knife? And this is all for you.
Wow. Open it. Okay. That's a wedding ring. Tina nga, pakita ka.
No, I told her every time you take a bath, just put lotion. Okay, so I got all my feet. Lotion every time after taking a bath.
What's that?
Oh! Come in to go fast.
And this
Oh my gosh. That's crazy how fast you
Your
went.
underwear.
This one.
Oh, yay!
Oh, nice. Hey,
Lotion.
Very large. No, actually, I like those gifts.
I wish I never got a cover. I know. A cover. You did it. Huh?
Obviously,
See?
I'll
I
bring
just
that.
looked at whatever it
No,
was.
you did it. Perfect. You don't have to get me.
More underwear, right?
That's it. That's it. Tama.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wait, is it 8.5?
It's an 8.
It's an 8.
Hey,
Eight?
you got big feet.
Yeah.
Tell me a fit.
No offense. No, your socks is like a little bit more.
Yeah, your socks is thick.
Robbie boy, Boba, come here.
There you go.
One more. Too many gifts.
What underwear now? Your sock.
Huh?
I'll change it another word for a sock.
Your Adidas
You
sock.
want this one?
No, I want
This one?
You want socks, Roy?
Yan yung Adidas. Sige na tuloy.
What color? What color?
Oh, I'm gonna give you everything.
You see what color?
Wait.
Oh yeah, give me the shoes.
Wow, 4,000. Open it, guys.
I'll give you half of it.
Right now?
Yeah. Open it.
Okay. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's just
Oh no, glitter.
That feels like a blanket.
Oh,
It's not a blanket.
it's
Jacket.
jacket.
Oh,
Nice.
Look there! Brando's birthday.
Oh, this is a nice jacket.
From where? From where?
Yeah, it's actually a really nice jacket. Both of them.
Oh, you.
This is a nice jacket.
Anong size yan? What size?
What size?
Large?
It's Mark. Yeah. Perfect. This is a nice jacket.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Oh, I get another one?
Ah, don't fight that.
Oh.
This is rubber.
Mas yung babae pala, pag babae pala.
It's
It has a dress.
Shirt.
shirt.
Yeah, but from where?
All say.
Oy, all saints. Mahal yan, ha?
Mahal.
That's mahal.
Mahal.
That is mahal.
Expensive.
Wow.
Yeah.
What last one?
But that's nice. I like how because it doesn't actually say like awesome.
Yeah, I like that one.
That's a wedding ring.
It is Oh, you got me.
Wow! Beats! Oh, I want that too! Just kidding.
Thank you.
Open it!
Oh, I'm not saying.
you're gonna say
I need
something.
it.
Wait, can I see it?
It's a Beats.
Mom, this is cute.
Wow!
Wow, you just gave her one thing. That's not
Open, open!
I don't want to see that.
Gel.
I get a heart attack.
Heart attack? Ikita yung bayad sa rent sa ano. Alam mo, kaya naman kanino ka.
It's for the happy utilities, the happy present. Okay.
Smart, smart.
Smart girl. Then you get that and so much more.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's a hard laugh.
Okay, open it. I'm not gonna read the notes here. Daddy, walang pera to ha.
Ah, meron. Nakita ko eh. Ayun ah.
Wala.
Ando, kita ko eh. I saw it.
Yeah, it's for the bill.
Wow, wait. Thank you. No.
Didn't I wrap this one for you?
Bruh, you made her right?
No, she put the bow.
That's funny that she wrapped it all good.
No, give me the knife.
Careful, both of them.
I thought you gave me already the shoe.
Oh! Hey!
That's Angel.
Just share. That shoe is expensive.
Yeah, we know.
That way I actually find it.
Another shoe to work?
What is that?
That's another shoe.
Oh, I know.
Oh my god, I don't need to work 24/7 now.
Bro.
No, it's not.
What is it?
Oh, that's massage.
I like massage.
STD.
So she's ready for work.
Like this? Yeah. Let's get it on.
I know what about it's scary.
I wanna buy it.
It looks like a
It's for the
robot.
village. She wants for herself.
That's true.
Oh, I didn't know that they have
sell
that
it?
one. Yeah,
I
they
didn't know
sell it.
either.
Well, like kind of long.
Yeah,
I
it's
know.
like
It's good when you run or like
yeah,
work
like
out.
when you're resting, put it in your feet and it's like.
I wanna-
And then that.
After hiking. Ah.
Yeah.
Wait, what did you give that?
Here, he's gonna open.
Dad, you didn't open up your card.
I did. Oh, yeah. Oh, here. That's it. Okay, Ali. I need a eyeglass. Tira.
Wait, are you actually blind?
Yeah.
We can share the same house.
Old.
Wait, are you the same subscription?
Oh.
Hey, Bonnie? Hey,
Merry.
Bonnie?
Wala.
I tried
Merry Christmas. Thank you for
Oh,
all. Okay, I'm gonna. Hi. I'm going to have. You need to work full time next year.
You guys heard that?
Okay. Fruit life.
Okay,
Okay.
then open it.
Love you.
Not say that.
I know. Yes, sister.
Yay!
And thank you, Ali.
Oh, wow, you're money.
May pang-cream
Yes.
sa asin mo.
Oh yeah. Oh, minsan meron na tayong pang ano, pang buffet.
Hey, the Boba poop?
Where? Where are you
I think he pooped over there.
Oh shoot.
No. Not on
smell it.
Kathleen gift.
I smell it.
I smell poo.
Maybe.
Oh my god, Ellie, it's right here.
Wait.
Oh, solid.
Tell me yung poo, mommy.
Yeah, from Ali.
Wait, check over there, Mom.
Did someone just fart?
No,
No,
yeah.
that's his poo poo.
I can't remember the name.
No, unless it's this part.
Yeah,
I want you to open that.
I think
You
it's
play right now?
poop right here.
Yeah.
I'm more excited for that one.
There's nothing. Wait,
I smell the poop.
yeah.
I don't smell it.
Hindi, utot yan yan.
Check behind you guys.
That is utot.
No,
No,
wait,
not
that's
I smell it here on Alex. I smell it right here.
Did he fart? No,
Yeah.
wait, that's fart.
So maybe I'll get a part
No, I
in.
smell it, bro. No,
Ano to?
it's
Like a
Boba.
box? On the box?
Oh, that's where the, that's where the game. Huh?
Wait, what's that little thing?
Oh, okay, no, that's where the
Hey, where are you going? Ano to? Is like a game? Kaninong gift to?
Sign.
Boba's fart? No, wait.
No, wait. Angel, come here. Tell me if you smell something here.
Okay.
If it's a fart, it would have been
Oh,
out.
That's
that
it.
is ito.
Bye-bye.
Boba.